We're gonna make Bacalao Navideño, or Christmas-style cod. And this dish is a staple in Mexico for Christmas. I'm gonna add about a quarter cup of olive oil to my cast iron pan, which I already have over medium-high heat. And I'm gonna finely chop my onion. I'm gonna start adding. And caramelize a little. 4 cloves of garlic that I peeled and finely chopped. Now I'm gonna add 1.5 pounds of ripe tomatoes that I already diced. I'm gonna add a little pepper. Notice that I am not adding salt. And I wanna cook these tomatoes until they start breaking apart. Let's talk about bacalao, or salted cod. It's salted and dried, but you can't use it like these. So you put your salted cod in fresh water like these, and every 10 to 12 hours, you just drain it and add fresh water again, and you do that 3 or 4 times, and then you can shred it. We call these deshebrar, like turn something into threads. Before I add the bacalao, I'm going to add fire roasted bell peppers, and then I'm gonna chop them into bite-sized pieces, adding them right in here. The combination of flavors of cooked tomato and roasted bell pepper is so traditional for the bacalao. Now I'm gonna add the bacalao. I'm gonna mix it all. Okay, now I'm gonna add manzanilla olives stuffed with pimentos and almonds. And then I'm gonna add pickled jalapenos with their brine. I'm adding the whole chiles, juicy juice, and the la costeña habaneros, which are lightly pickled. They come already sliced. They're spicy, but not ridiculously spicy. And now the last thing I'm gonna add, I have 1 pound of red bliss baby potatoes, and then I cook them in salted boiling water until very, very soft. Okay, so now everything has to cook and come together for about 10 minutes, and the best thing is to partially cover it so that it doesn't dry up. And if you don't have a lid that fits perfectly, you can use a baking sheet like they do in restaurants. Reduce the heat to medium and let these simmer for about 8 minutes. This is looking so good. Little parsley. You can do so many things with the bacalao. Eat it with either rice or tortilla torta. I have both because I want to show you both. Rice. And that's a sit-down version. The family version is, grab your bread, has to be crunchy and fresh or toasted. Okay, so this is what you say you want, this is what you really want, but they're both incredible. I wanna taste both. I wanna go for the rice first. The torta. The mix of flavors and textures is just, it's perfect for Christmas.